two forces is 10 Newton and 15 Newton on a body. Unit mass of opposite direction. Unit mass in opposite direction. What is this acceleration? Here the force F1 equal to 10 Newton, F2 equal to 15 Newton. Then mass is unit mass. So M equal to 1. Here same direction is same direction. Then we will write the equation F1 plus F2 divided by M. Then opposite direction we will write F2 minus F1 divided by M. Here the F1 means F2 means here F2 15 Newton 1 kg of mass here. Then opposite direction 10 newtons. So 15 minus 10 divided by 1. What is the acceleration? A equal to, no, 15 minus 5, 10, 5. So acceleration equal to A equal to 5 meter per second square. This is the correct answer. Opposite direction, then acceleration equal to F2 minus V. Then same direction acceleration equal to F1 plus F2 by